Do you wanna know a secret of a perfect gnocchi? I'm gonna show you. So guys, a good start is to choose the right potatoes like Desiree. We bake them, we don't boil them. So guys, next step is to peel them really hot. With a really hot potato, we'll smash into the flour in this way. Remember, it's really important to don't use too much flour. 3 parts of potatoes, 1 part of 00 flour. Cut a little bit of the dough, gently rolling, not too much flour, otherwise our gnocchi they will be chewy. Then we roll them gentle on the fork. Then we have a beautiful shape. Choose the simple sauce because the gnocchi is the star.